Coolest Amazon gadgets worth buying. Are you ready to discover some of the coolest Amazon gadgets that will leave you amazed and excited? Whether you're a tech lover, a gamer, or just someone who enjoys cool toys and cutting-edge gadgets, this list has something for you. These gadgets are not only fun but also bring a lot of practical value to your life. From futuristic AR glasses to a modern take on the classic DeLorean, you'll find gadgets here that are worth every penny. Each one of these has been carefully chosen because of how unique and impressive they are, and I'm going to dive deep into each one, showing you why they deserve a spot in your collection. Nerf Gatling Gun. The Nerf Gatling gun is not your average Nerf blaster. This is the kind of toy that brings epic fun to the next level. If you've ever played with a Nerf gun, you know how much fun it can be. But the Nerf Gatling gun takes that fun and cranks it up to 11. With its massive size, rotating barrels, and high-capacity drum that can hold dozens of darts, this toy looks like something straight out of an action movie. Imagine walking into a Nerf battle with this beast in your hands. It's capable of firing a barrage of foam darts at an impressive speed, making you feel like a one-person army. Viro Rides Vega. The Viro Rides Vega is a hybrid electric scooter that offers both fun and practicality in one sleek package. It's not just a scooter, it's a transforming ride that can easily switch between scooter mode and mini bike mode. Imagine zipping around your neighborhood or the park on this futuristic ride, feeling the breeze as you smoothly glide along. The electric motor gives you the speed you need, while the sturdy design ensures you stay safe and comfortable while riding. Whether you're a kid or an adult who's young at heart, this scooter bike hybrid is designed to be fun for all ages. What makes the Viro Rides Vega even cooler is its versatility. Real Air glasses. If you're a fan of cutting-edge technology, the Real Air glasses are going to blow your mind. These augmented reality glasses offer a whole new way to experience the world around you. Imagine being able to see virtual objects, screens, and games overlaid on your real-world environment, all while wearing a pair of glasses that look stylish and sleek. The Real Air glasses are incredibly lightweight, making them comfortable to wear for extended periods, whether you're watching a movie, playing a game, or exploring augmented reality apps. What sets these AR glasses apart from others is the immersive experience they provide. DeLorean DMC-12 replicas. There's something magical about the DeLorean DMC-12, the iconic car made famous by the Back to the Future movies. Now, you can relive that magic with DeLorean DMC-12 replicas that are available for purchase on Amazon. These replicas are more than just cars. They're a piece of pop culture history brought to life. For fans of the movie or those who simply appreciate the sleek, futuristic design of the DeLorean, these replicas are a dream come true. Sentry Fenders. The Sentry Fenders are a game changer for anyone who owns a boat. These sleek, innovative fenders are designed to protect your boat from bumps and scrapes while docking. But what makes them special is their smart design and ease of use. Traditional boat fenders can be bulky, difficult to adjust, and often don't provide enough coverage. But Sentry Fenders are designed to be adjustable and provide a perfect fit for any boat, offering superior protection without the hassle. Instax Pal. The Instax Pal is a tiny portable camera that brings a whole new level of fun to photography. This gadget is perfect for those who love capturing moments on the go, but don't want to carry around a bulky camera. The Instax Pal fits right in your pocket, making it easy to take with you wherever you go. Whether you're at a party, traveling, or just out for a walk, you can whip out the Instax Pal and snap high-quality photos in an instant. Its compact size doesn't compromise on quality though. The camera delivers sharp, vibrant images that you can easily share with friends or print out using an Instax printer. Marana Hover Football. The Marana Hover Football is an exciting and unique gadget that combines the fun of soccer with the coolness of hover technology. This futuristic football hovers just above the ground, gliding smoothly across flat surfaces like hardwood floors or tiles. It's perfect for indoor play, allowing you to kick, pass, and play soccer without worrying about damaging furniture or walls. The hover action is powered by a small motor and fan that creates a cushion of air underneath the ball, allowing it to float effortlessly. What makes the Marana Hover Football so much fun is that it brings a whole new dynamic to playing soccer indoors. Magnus Functional Thread Shooter. If you ever wanted to feel like a superhero, the Magnus Functional Thread Shooter is the gadget for you. Inspired by Spider-Man, this device lets you shoot threads of web-like material from your wrist, just like the famous comic book hero. It's a wearable gadget that attaches to your wrist, and with a flick of your hand, You can launch a thin, durable thread that sticks to surfaces. While it's not exactly the same as swinging from buildings, it's still a fun and imaginative way to bring a bit of superhero action into your daily life. Gadget. The Gadget is a versatile and compact device that combines the functionality of several kitchen gadgets into one. Whether you're cooking, baking, or just preparing a quick snack, Gadget makes it easier and more efficient. This multi-tool features everything from a grater and slicer to a peeler and zester, all in one compact design. It's perfect for those who want to save space in their kitchen without sacrificing functionality. The Gadget is easy to use and even easier to clean, making it a must-have gadget for any home cook. What makes the Gadget stand out is its innovative design. Sky Nano Drone. The Sky Nano Drone is one of the smallest and coolest drones you can buy. Don't let its tiny size fool you, though. This drone packs a punch. With precise controls and impressive agility, the Sky Nano Drone is perfect for both beginners and experienced drone pilots. It can perform flips, rolls, and other aerial maneuvers with ease, making it incredibly fun to fly. Despite its small size, it's equipped with a camera, allowing you to capture aerial footage and photos from a whole new perspective. The compact design of the Sky Nano Drone makes it ideal for indoor flying, but it's also durable enough to handle outdoor adventures. Anki Overdrive. The Anki Overdrive is the ultimate racing game brought to life with real physical cars. Unlike traditional racing games, Anki Overdrive lets you control actual cars as they race around a customizable track. Using your smartphone or tablet, you can control the cars, battle opponents, and even upgrade your vehicle's abilities. It's like a video game, but with real cars and tracks, creating an immersive and interactive experience that's unlike anything else. What makes Anki Overdrive so cool is its use of artificial intelligence. The cars are equipped with artificial intelligence, meaning they can drive themselves, making every race unpredictable and exciting. Vanna Stellina. The Vanna Stellina is not just a telescope, it's a smart connected device that makes stargazing accessible to everyone. Traditional telescopes can be difficult to use, requiring precise alignment and adjustments to find celestial objects. But the Vanna Stellina takes the guesswork out of stargazing with its automated system. Simply set it up, connect it to your smartphone or tablet, and the telescope will do the rest. It automatically locates stars, planets, and other celestial objects, allowing you to sit back and enjoy the wonders of the universe. What sets the Vanna Stellina apart from other telescopes is its smart technology and ease of use. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.